Katanat kakot ka khia ka jala ka kan tujur ki pat ba kim dai satya ban Khein sting haba ki Shah Dait ha Ksew namar kani kala wat ban bu jing ma ya ka jing em jong ki lada ki yo ya ka jing pang rebase ya kani raya tho da ka nodal officer jang ka state surveillance Dr. V Lalu haba kran bar kilat pathai Khubor ha ka jing lang balalum da ka menteri kakot ka khia Dr. Amrin Lingdo ha Meghalaya secretariat.
Deaths were around, I think, 9 deaths that 9 to 11 deaths that happened in last year, 2023. So that was high. I think it was 11, not to be mistaken, and that was for the whole calendar year. This time it's only in the month of till September. We haven't, it's not complete yet. So we still have actually 17, but the 17th case we have not completed our investigation yet. So officially it is 16 cases of death cases.
So all cases are related to...
And 16 this year.
Yes.
27 cases in total since
from
last
2 years.
2 years.
So all cases are related to stray dogs or...
Most of the cases were stray dogs. Only 1 or 2 were their own pet dogs, but majority were stray dogs. And also because of, most majority of them were in rural areas, and also the majority of them did not receive any vaccination. So the post-exposure prophylaxis was not given to those. They had not taken after the bite.
So there was a report
So we are currently having a very good coordination, not only with municipal corporation, but also with veterinary department.
Yes.
We are, if you can come, you are all invited tomorrow for the
11 o'clock.
tomorrow 11 o'clock we're having this function. It is in collaboration with the veterinary department and also municipal corporation. We're having a program tomorrow. What we've been municipal, in fact they have dog catchers, and one dog catcher who has been doing all this, they've been catching stray dogs, and the veterinary department has been conducting these mass vaccination campaigns all across the state. So even now it is happening across the state. Yesterday it happened in Southwest Khasi Hills and East Khasi Hills.
So far, how many dogs have been vaccinated?
So the report we have for this year itself, from East Khasi Hills alone, 600 stray dogs have been vaccinated so far.
do we have a proper kind of a survey to regarding the population of stray dogs?
That is the veterinary department.
We have to do
will
that,
have
but
to
last time we have had
But
a
do they share these statistics with the health department?
Let me answer that. Yes, we have a joint steering committee made up by the chief secretary with all these stakeholders. We have already had a meeting this 1 month back. Same all we had a meeting. As a culmination of that, only this week is also been commemorated. Now the sharing of information, etc., also has started.
Well, sir, in fact,